Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Thrifty Thursday, everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic Thursday. I am recording out on the porch today, guys. This is pre-recorded. I gotta go get my fingernails done. So I wanted to pre-record so then I can post. It's a beautiful day. It's not real sunny right now, but it's warm. It's not bad out. I only have a long sleeve shirt on. And how fitting is my shirt, guys? Queen of the thrift stores. This is another one of my Amazon shirts. I had to have this. This is going to be like my Thrifty Thursday shirt. I got to see if I can find another kind of Thrifty Thursday shirt. Okay, so did you all see the picture I posted? And yes, it is a calendar board. Here's my message of the day, everybody. Kindness changes everything. So, a lot of yous had ideas of what I was going to do with it. I got to tell you about my little experience with this board. Okay, the first thing I did, I took it outside because it was beautiful yesterday, and I spray painted it with this Heirloom White by Rust-Oleum, this 2x cover satin paint. I spray painted that. It took a couple of, maybe 3 coats. The board in the center, guys, is not a good board. It's like that particle board stuff. So, like, I sanded it to get all the roughness off. So, here were my thoughts, and you guys had them. I was going to make it into a tray. I even ran, one second here. I even ran to Hobby Lobby and bought these beautiful handles. Now, I'm going to show you my board. So, I was going to put these handles on here and make it a tray. But I was going to I tried twice. I don't know why I had such a problem. I think it was the board, because I've Mosh Podge paper many times before. But I had this beautiful paper that was like writing and postage stamps. I should have brought a piece down that I had gotten on clearance at AC Moore. It was a roll of paper. For $3.74. I tried twice. I just kept getting humongous bubbles in there. And I was using the waterproof Mosh Podge. So I thought maybe that was it. So I scraped it all off and I tried regular Mosh Podge and I still got the bubbles. So I don't know. I scraped it all off again. I ended up using my peel and stick wallpaper. I did my big craft room wall in this peel and stick wallpaper about 2 or 3 years ago. This is what I used. This, let's see, peel and stick, our roommates peel and stick wallpaper. Now I'm out of it. I just used the last of it for this board, and I had just enough to do this board and a little scrap piece left over. I'm saving the little scrap piece because you never know. Okay. Before I did this, and one of my thoughts was I was going to make it a Christmas hanging frame. Someone had that idea, and here was my idea. I was going to paint the board, and I was going to do it long ways, and I was going to use these decals from Walmart, this truck decals. I was going to do this truck decal on here. It would fit because the tree goes in the back of the truck and the words are separate. And I was going to put these bows that I told you I got at Job Lots, guys, for $1.69. I was going to put one on each side of the board with my thing. But this wood under here, I just didn't like it. And I couldn't get no paper to Mosh Podge on for me. So, I should have probably tried painting it with craft paint and see if that would have worked with the decals. Because then I thought you could switch it. You could switch the decal from Christmas to something else. But, okay, so those were my ideas. An event calendar, that was my first idea. And someone said that, because I had bought the little clips from Hobby Lobby that have the circles and the numbers on them for the event calendar. This was not big enough. I can only fit, because you have to have a bag that's going to be big enough to put something in. So I had gotten little brown paper bags at Michael's that were only about this big. I should have brought them down with me. And I started laying it out on here. And I was going to do red and black, I'm trying to think now, wrapping paper that I got at Walmart. I was going to Mod Podge that on here, and I was going to do that little red truck on top, and I was going to write my grandson's name on it, Jack. And I laid them out. Guys, I can only fit 2 rows on here. I only got like 14 of the 25 days. So that did not work for me either. I am telling you, I had such a hard time with this tray. I didn't want to do a chalkboard. That was like sort of like common sense. Like that's, or I wanted to do the roll of paper and have the roll of paper on here where you pull it down. But I couldn't find my supplies to make that. I couldn't find anything to make it. So this is what I ended up doing. Okay. I ended up using my peel and stick wallpaper on here. Then I added this metal welcome sign that I got at Hobby Lobby. I think it's $4.59 or $4.9. It was $4 something, and then half off when they have this. These are sold over where all the glass is, and they run them half off sometimes. So I had gotten that there. I had that upstairs in my stash. Really, all this I've had in my stash. I've had this. I got the board at Goodwill for $2.99. I had the wallpaper. That was the leftovers from doing my craft room a few years ago. I always keep these hooks, the command hooks, on hand because I don't like putting holes in my walls, and guys, if I don't have to. So I added a command hook. A while back, I made a wreath out of the Dollar Tree little wreath form, the small wreath form. So that was my thought. So, and I can change them out. I could change my little wreaths out for this season. So this is what I ended up doing. Now let me get this on here. I got to find my spot there. Okay. And these I made out of doilies that I cut out of the tablecloths and spreads and stuff. I made those a while back too, like a year or so ago. But this is what I ended up doing, see? And you can hang it. Now I was going to add command hooks on the back. I was going to do 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and hang it on the wall in the house. But I need something for this fireplace outside. So I know I should have a fall wreath because it's fall, but I don't have a small fall wreath. So I am just going to stand this here in the middle of my fireplace. Now, when I run to Hobby Lobby for my other tree, hopefully you guys didn't buy them all yet, I am going to look for a little fall wreath. I'm not sure if they're going to have anything. But this is where I'm going to put it. And then I'm just going to switch out. I don't think I'm in the center. I am just going to switch it out. I got to see how I like my wreath on here. I like it this way better. I can't see in the camera when I'm backwards. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it here at Christmas. I'll hang a Christmas one on it. Maybe I'll add some other little Christmas details on there. The peel and sticks will stick to that wallpaper. So maybe I'll add some cute snowflakes or something with my wreath. I don't know. But that is my Thrifty Thursday, guys. And that is all the ideas I had for it. And this is what I ended up doing with it. It wasn't even one of my original ideas. But that is it. And I hope you like this little quick Thrifty Thursday. And I just love my shirt. Love my shirt. This is from Amazon, guys. And I think this one was a little more money. This was like $26 or something. But it's long sleeve. So if you like my Thrifty Thursday, just sprinkle. And I am going to pick someone. Let's see. Today is Thursday, Friday. So Saturday. I am going to pick someone Saturday. It probably won't be until towards the evening because I'm traveling Saturday to go visit the grandbabies. I am going to pick someone who's sprinkled, and I am going to send you, remember this dough bowl I found at the thrift store? It was $2.99. It's originally from Home Goods. It still has the price tag on it, guys. But I am going to ship this out to someone. But it won't get shipped for a week. There'll be another Thrifty Thursday in between. I got to think of something, guys, and pre-record a video before I leave. So I only have today and tomorrow to think of something else. So it's probably going to be a simple little quick video for next week because I'll be in Georgia. So I got to get it done before I leave. All right. That is my Thrifty Thursday. I'll talk to you all later. I got to go get my nails done. Have a good morning. I'll talk to you all later. Thanks for joining me. Bye.